Meet the Hume Band 2.0, the world's first longevity band, now with next-generation clinical-grade sensors for even higher precision. With 14 days of battery life, it never stops watching over you. It's powered by Harvard-developed AI that tracks your internal biomarkers, vascular stress, metabolic momentum, biological age, and HRV. You'll get an early warning system designed to detect chronic illness patterns, like heart disease and metabolic decline, weeks before symptoms ever show. Get
ठीक है